Hi, and welcome to another FortiWeb video on preventing padding Oracle attacks. In this use case, an e-commerce application uses ASCBC encryption to protect user data, such as session cookies and sensitive information. A padding Oracle attack exploits padding error messages during decryption. In this attack, an encrypted or ciphertext message is sent to the recipient, who decrypts it and validates the padding. If the padding is incorrect, an error is returned. The attacker modifies the ciphertext and observes the system's responses to these changes. By systematically analyzing padding errors, the attacker can slowly uncover the original plaintext. FortiWeb's padding Oracle protection module effectively defends against malicious attacks by analyzing padding validation within encrypted HTTP request elements, including URLs, cookies, and parameters. So let's get started with the policy configuration. Within the FortiWeb portal, navigate to Web Protection, Advanced Protection, and go to Padding Oracle Protection. Click Create New and enter the name and action. Select Alert and Deny. Then click OK. Next, under the Rules section, create a new padding Oracle rule and enter the protected URL parameter. Enable URL, parameter, and cookie for protected target options and click OK to save. Now navigate to Policy and go to Web Protection Profile. Select the Inline Protection Profile, and under Advanced Protection, select from the Padding Oracle Protection drop-down with the rule that was just created. When FortiWeb blocks a padding Oracle attack, the event is logged in an attack entry for tracking and analysis. In this demonstration, we simulate attacks to observe the security rule in action. For this example, we send attacks with malicious modifications to the URL and parameters. FortiWeb successfully blocks these attempts, and the details are recorded in the attack logs. Thank you for watching.